Some people are asking me why Julius Malema was unavailable in Parliament when Castle Matali was appearing before the ad hoc committee that investigate the allegations of General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Let me tell you something. Julius Malema has declared this thing prior, that he is going to have a conflict of interest with Castle Matali. Castle Matali is not an ordinary person to Julius Malema. Castle Matali, it's like a father to Julius Malema. So if you expect Julius Malema to go and question his father, like, it's really not being realistic, because he was going to do what souls of P8 doing, this thing of taking sides and not ask relevant questions, if you can check. Because when you're conflicted, or when you have a conflict of interest, you then ask what serves you. He was going to ask Castle simple questions that you guys were going to come back and say, no, Julius Malema was so lenient to Castle Matali and all those kind of things. So he chose to give you what you want, and he recused himself from that day because he knew that he was conflicted with Castle Matali. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you a video of Castle Matali last year on Julius Malema's birthday. By the way, Julius Malema and Castle Matali, they've been together in multiple events. As I said, Castle Matali is not an ordinary person to Julius Malema. It's like a political father after Peter Mokaba. Danko.
My George, happy birthday.
Thank you.
And may you grow to see many more. 43 is but a number that, as we travel on this journey of life, we pass through. And I think as you pass through 43, becoming more than who you used to be, with more wisdom. May our good Lord and our ancestors be with you as you traverse this journey. You are no longer the Julius of yesterday. You are the Julius that is leading quite a sizable number of our people in your country to a destiny defined by yourself and your collective. We wish you well in that journey. This 43rd birthday is coming at a critical moment in our history. We should be deciding what happens to the country on the 29th. We wish you well, and your family, and your sons, and those that are around you. We are better in your space. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Beautiful.